Guess what? Guess what? This is the brooding room for the new birds that just arrived. So, let me surprise them. Let me see them. Let me check on them to know how they are doing, how they are faring. They arrived today. Hello? Hello? How are you all? Very chubby and nice birds. I have local turkey here. I have local turkey here. Yeah. I have local turkey here. I have Brahma bears here. I have local turkey here. So, and just a carton of broiler bears. So these ones, they just arrived today, this morning. So, today being 27th of June. They just arrived today. So they are day old in my custody. Okay. Let me catch this. Brahma bear. This bear you are seeing is being sold for 3,000 plus for day old. So I have the bigger ones, they are outside. The bigger ones, they have grown. Oh, very, very lovely to be with. You know, there is even Noila, but they used to grow bigger than the Noila. So let me capture this turkey. Where are you going? Oh. How are you? How are you doing? Are you nice? This is talking. There are about 10 of them. Locker. See, they are all eating, hustling for food. Some are sleeping. These ones are eating. Broiler with food, feed. Broiler can eat. Okay. Hope you all are nice. Your charcoal is doing the work. That's fine. That's okay. Okay, thank you.